Now, what if I told you that the single biggest threat to your retirement is not the market, but it's something that's quietly draining your 401k account every single year? And most people, they never even notice this. So, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, a decade licensed in the financial industry and 2 decades of investment portfolio experience. I want to dive into this, so make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe. But today, I'm going to talk about the one thing that a lot of people really don't think about as they start getting towards retirement. It's something that needs no introduction. It's the hidden fees inside your 401k, and how these hidden fees, it can eat away into your future if you're not paying attention. Now, to be clear, we're not talking about taxes and penalties. That's extra. But we're talking strictly the fees, the silent cost of investing, especially in your 401k. And in 2026, it matters more than ever. Why? The contribution limits, yes, they've increased. So now you could put in $23,500 a year. And if you're over 50, you could catch up and you could play an extra $7,500. That means more money is flowing into your account, which is great. More money than ever before. But here's the question. How much of that money are you actually keeping? How much is actually working for you? Now look, there are 5 main type of fees. There's more, but there's 5 main ones hidden inside your 401k, and each one plays a role quietly reducing your long-term wealth. So let's break that down. First off, they're administrative fees. Now, these are the fees just to run the plan. And we're talking about, you got record keeping, you have a customer service, legal compliance, and account management, just managing all that. Now, thanks to the updated Department of Labor rules, they always switching up, these fees are more transparent, so that's good. They're more transparent today, but the truth is, most people still don't look at them. Most of you guys don't look at it, and typically, we're talking anywhere between 0.1 and 0.5% per year, or flat fees between $25 and $150 annually. Now, I know it may not sound like much, but have you ever stopped and asked yourself, folks, who's actually paying those fees? You or your employer? Because in many cases, it's going to be you most of the time. That's number one. Now, next, you have your investment fees. And this is where the real damage really starts to happen. Boy, let me tell you, these fees, they're built into the funds inside your 401k. You don't even know about them. You don't see them directly, but you're going to feel them over time. Now, this is what we call pretty much the expense ratio, okay? In 2026, index funds typically range from anywhere from 0.03 to 0.2%, while actively managed funds can run anywhere from 0.5%, so 0.5%, up to 1.2%, even more. Now, 1% fee may not sound like a big deal, but trust me, folks, over time, it could reduce your retirement savings from 20 to 25%, even more. Think about that for a second. 1% fee, you could lose 20 to 25%. What would your life look like if you're missing a quarter of your retirement? It automatically disappeared. And here's the part that most of you guys miss. Most 401k plans, they still offer higher cost funds, even when lower cost options are available. Man, so you got to ask yourself, folks, literally ask yourself, are you investing or are you overpaying to invest? Oh, that is huge. Now, third, you got the advisory and managed account fees. In 2026, more plans are offering robo-advisors, managed portfolios, personalized retirement tools, all these extra add-ons. These services, now they could be helpful, but they typically cost anywhere from 0.25 to around 0.6% per year. It's almost 0.5%. So the question is, are you actually even using the advice you're paying for, all the different add-ons? Because a lot of people are paying for help they've never even logged in to use. When's the last time you logged in and checked besides the statement they send you? In most cases, you automatically get enrolled into these services. And unless you opt out, you're stuck. So then again, are you being intentional, or are you just defaulting into whatever fees that you get within your 401k? Now, the fourth one is huge. It's the transaction fee. Okay, these are fees based on actions that you personally take. It's things like taking out a loan that can cost you from $50 to $150 just to set it up. Plus, you have your ongoing annual fees. You got a hardship withdrawals that cost between $500 to $100. Okay, even rollovers or transfers come with fees. It could be anywhere from $25 to $75, even more. Now, most of these are avoidable, but only if you're aware of them. So ask yourself, if it comes to touching your money, are you making a financial move, or are you just making expensive decisions because you're throwing away so much money when you want to move your money? And then finally, you have your miscellaneous fees, the small ones, man, and most people overlook these small ones. And this could include you got your account maintenance fee, what you're maintaining is paperless. After you leave an employer, guess what? You have that fee. You have paper statement fees or small balance fees. Individually, some of these may not seem like that much, but over time, they're gonna add up, man. And most of you guys, you never even notice them. You don't notice the little 0.5, 0.25, all that. So let's talk about the real cost. If you put all this stuff together, if you have $100,000 invested, a 1% fee is costing you $1,000 every single year. Okay, over 30 years, what does that mean? You could be losing $100,000 or more potential growth. And research shows, not me, research shows that reducing your fees just by 0.5%, not even a whole percent, 0.5% could increase your savings by tens of thousands of dollars, folks. That's huge. So the reality is simple. The fees compound just like the returns, but they're going to be working against you. You have compounding fees. So what can you do about it? That's $1 million question. What you going to do about it? First, choose low-cost investments, okay? Prioritize index funds, all those, and aim for expense ratios under 0.2%. You can look it up. Now, whenever possible, do that. Secondly, you have to review your plan every single year. Why? Because most people, they set it and forget it, but your money, you need to look at it, right? Because your company may change 401k companies. Now, the third thing, consider rolling old 401ks into a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, your annuities, or anything else where you could control everything and you have lower fees. And then fourth, be selective with managed services, okay? Only pay for advice if you truly benefit from it, not just because they so-called have it. And then ultimately, ask better questions, folks. Ask, why am I paying this? What am I paying? What's the total? Are there lower cost options available inside this 401k plan that I could choose? Because the better your questions, I promise you, the better your financial future when it comes to having your 401k. So today, we got more tools than ever, folks. You got Roth 401k options. You got automatic enrollments. You even have a self-directed brokerage windows and opportunities. The opportunities out there is all over the place, but the responsibility is still going to be on you. So let me leave you with this. Have you ever taken the time to truly understand, folks, what your retirement is going to cost you? Okay? Because the most dangerous fee is the one you don't even know about. Look up Tony Robbins. He talks about the fees you eat into 1/3 of your retirement, folks. It's a lot. Just fees, not penalties, not taxes. We're talking about fees. So if this made sure that you could, if this is able to help you out, look at your 401k. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more financial education. I'm going to be breaking this down because, right now a lot of stuff is going on in the market. So make sure you check the links in my description below to schedule a consultation, get yourself your free budget, and to ask any questions that could benefit you. And with that being said, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.